So here we go. We have the character walking in place, and also his hair is floating while he's walking. So the next step is I would like to convert this whole, like all the timeline, all the animation, and then make that into a symbol. So we can move the symbol with an easy classic tween. So the character, instead of walking in place, he can walk from the left to the right. Okay, so how can we do that? So first step, we need to create a new symbol. So insert new symbol, and then I'll call it man. And then you can do graphic symbol, graphic symbol. Okay, and then okay, I did that earlier already. Okay, so I'll name it something else. Okay, so this is the inside the symbol. This is because we just create a new symbol, so there's nothing in here. Okay, so we'll click on this arrow, go back to our scene. So next we need to select all the layers here in this scene 1. So to do that, just select all of your layers, click on the first one and hold shift and select the last one. Okay, so make sure everything is selected. And then you can go to edit timeline. So this way is you are copying or cutting all the layers and keyframes in the whole timeline. Okay, so we'll do cut. Okay, this one is just the reference. We don't need that. Okay, so let's go back to find the symbol we created. The symbol we created is in the library. Okay, so we can just open the library tab and double click on the men symbol. Okay, and then I'll make sure the layer is selected, and we go to edit timeline and paste layers. Okay, cool. Now you can see, let's see where our man. Oh, here's our man, and okay, you can see now all the layers is successfully copied and pasted in the new layer. Okay, so should be working. Yeah, the guy is working. And then now we go back to our scene. Okay, so now the fun part is we have our character in a symbol men 3, and then we can we need a new layer. So we create a new layer, and then drag our man and put it in our timeline. Okay, so it actually looked the same. Is the guy, this dude walking in the scene in place. But what is different is instead of there's like 13 layers, we have only 1 layers, and it's a symbol. So what does it tell you? We can actually create a classic tween on this guy. So now the first keyframe is this guy here outside of the frame. And then we can, like, I don't know how long we need, but we'll just start here to like 120. So that will be about 5 seconds, maybe 4 seconds is enough. Okay, and then insert keyframe. Insert keyframe. Insert keyframe. Okay, and then we can move this guy to the right and make sure you hold shift so it's like walking, stay in place. And now we have 2 keyframe here, and of course now you know what we need to do. And you can see it's cool that the guy, even though we only have 40 frames, but the animation inside of a symbol, it will continue playing. So even we're at 50, it's still like looping and walking in place. So now we just need to add a ease, a classic tween, and we have this guy walking from the left and walking toward outside the frame. So when I hit command return, I can view my animation. So cool. So hopefully this tutorial is helpful in showing you some different tips on rigging your character, and also how to show you how to put animation inside animation. So you can have like animation like just moving in place, and by converting it into a symbol, you can add animation on top of something that's already animating. Cool. Okay, so last step will be exporting our project. So make sure you save it in case exporting go wrong, and just go to File, Export, and choose GIF. Okay, we'll make our Okay, so I think I original choose HD for the size. We don't need that big for our GIF. So just export it as 50%. Also, it's 9060 by 540. And then we can hit save. And then save it in my folder. Okay, call it test. Save. Okay, so let's see if it's exporting correctly. Open with a browser. Cool. Okay, looks good. Okay, so now you just need to submit on this GIF on Basecamp, and you're done with exercise 3.